Hey guys, wanna know how to change your background color in MetaTrader 4? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, simply open up your MetaTrader 4 application, and once you're there, you need to head towards settings first. Now for that, on the top left you can see this 3-dot hamburger icon. Just simply click on it and then head towards settings right here. Now once you're there, under charts, just simply scroll down until you see something known as colors. Just simply click on it, and right here you can change your foreground and background color as well. Now once you're under colors, here click on scheme. Now here you can see various options. You can see custom, black on white, green on black, or color on white. I'll just go green on black for this one. Now you can also customize by yourself by also customizing the candles, lines, and so on. And once you're done, just simply select done, and there you go. Super simple and easy. Now your candles has been changed and so is your background, as you can see right here. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.